As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools I use in today's project. Please click on the links, it helps me a ton. Thank you for that. This is a 2019 Subaru Outback. I have the privilege to be one of the guys who fixes new cars that come to this undisclosed location. So this is a 2019 Subaru Outback, battery's bad. We're gonna check on it and I'm gonna show you replacing it. Let's check it out. Alright, so first thing we'll do is I got my battery tester right here, and here's your positive. You can just pop your little cover off, stick that on there, stick this on here, and it says low. And even with the jump box on this thing, I think it was only reading like 123 cranking amps. So this battery is dead. And that was with this thing up to 12.7 volts because my jump box over there was fully charged, but it still didn't bring it up enough to crank the car. So we know the battery is bad. So how are we gonna remove this battery? All right, so I got my Milwaukee with my 10mm. I'm just gonna come right over here, loosen it, come right over here. It's a good idea before you attempt to take this off, go ahead and take your negative off. So we're gonna twist, take him off. Now, if I put my ratchet on here and I touch something else that's metal, I'm not gonna pop a fuse. Now we go ahead and take that off, and then we got this guy right here. Now we've got a 10 there and a 10 there. The Milwaukee electric ratchet makes it a lot quicker. Oh, we got a little virgin clip on the bottom there since the car's still new, so we're going to keep that on there. We can do the same thing on this side. And now we're just going to pick this kind of hold down clamp up and out of our way. Just set them right there. Be real careful because the car is still brand spanking new. And basically it doesn't have, sometimes you know they'll have like a little hold down thing down here. This one doesn't, so this one's ready to pick up and take out. It's got this little protective cover. We'll take this guy off, and now with using two hands I can just pick this battery up, take it to the Subaru dealer, hope they have one of these, and I'll swap it out. So that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.